Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where this green line here is coming from, and that was kind of our guide going into today in terms of, hey, on Wednesday, the price made a very, very nice move, but it was a question of, okay, is this the start of something bigger, or is this just some sort of, fake bounce? And yeah, that was absolutely a total fake bounce. What gives me the right to call that fake? Well, I mean, the price made absolutely zero progress forward. Not only did it not make progress, the price literally went all the way back down here, even lower than the lows from Wednesday, which brings about the first update that needs to be done. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting. So, and this was a former area of support, although I didn't necessarily talk about it as support in Wednesday's video. It was a level of support, and the rule in charting states when levels of support are broken and close below, they tend to act as resistance, and that is exactly what played out here. So things got so bad this morning, the price fell down below that level, and then, like I said, as the rule states, you would expect it to act as resistance, and that's absolutely what happened there, including the final 30 minutes, where it once again rejected the price back down. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying the price cannot break up above this area here, which is valued at the $2.68 mark, but that is certainly, at least according to the story that's being told to us via the chart, the level where the price is really going to have to bring its A game if it's going to be able to not only fight above that level, but then be able to stay up above it. As far as if the price can push through that level, the next overarching area of resistance is going to be right there, that purple line, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. You can see it's already rejected the price down once. So keep an eye on that. But as of right now, one hurdle at a time, and that first key hurdle is right there at 268. As far as levels of support are concerned, main level going forward now is going to be right there at 262, and there's nothing fancy behind that other than the fact that that is just simply where the bleeding finally stopped today. So keep an eye on 262. Like I said, that's where the bleeding stopped. Therefore, that's the key level of support right now. So overall, very, very rough day, but we'll see if the bulls can put together some sort of bounce or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.